In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a prompt in Lovable. To get started, open Lovable and head to the main dashboard. This is where you'll begin the process, and it's the central place for creating and managing projects. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to get oriented so you can easily spot the area where prompts are entered. Next, move your cursor over the prompt box. This is the input area where you'll tell Lovable what you want it to create. Think of this box as the place where your instructions become the foundation for the project. Being comfortable with this space is important, because the quality of what you get back often depends on how clearly you describe your request. From there, start a new project. This gives Lovable a fresh workspace and helps keep your prompt focused on the task you want to complete. Starting with a clean project is especially helpful if you want organized results and a smoother workflow. Now it's time to draft your prompt. In the chat input box, structure your prompt using a proven multi-part formula. In other words, be clear about what you want built, what sections or features should be included, the overall style, and any design preferences. The more specific and organized your prompt is, the easier it is for Lovable to generate something useful and aligned with your goal. Clear prompts usually lead to better first results, which can save time later. For example, you could type, build a modern landing page for a digital marketing agency. Include a hero section, services section, testimonials, pricing table, FAQ, and contact form. Use a professional blue and white color scheme and make it fully responsive. This example works well because it covers both structure and design. It tells Lovable what type of page to build, which content sections to include, and how the final result should feel visually. If you're following along, you can use that exact prompt as a practice example to see how the tool responds. Once your prompt is ready, click the send button. This submits your request and starts the generation process. After that, give Lovable a moment to process your prompt and think through the response. Depending on the complexity of your request, this may take a little time, so be patient while it works. When Lovable finishes, you'll have the generated output based on the prompt you provided. And that's how to run a prompt in Lovable, from opening the dashboard to submitting your idea and waiting for the result. If you want better outputs, remember that clarity, detail, and structure in your prompt make a big difference.